Hi folks, it has been a long time since our last video and thanks for subscribing me on LinkedIn. Have we immersed ourselves for EV charging equipment for decades? I have been asked by many customers, hi Craig, do you have any granny charger that can help us to use on fleet with OCPP function so the fleet members can make a reimbursement on time? Or hi Craig, do you have any other more functional chargers that can help us to do the reservation on the charger or the application from the phone? Because every time we use our EVA charger, it's kind of like complicated to set the delay charging every time. The third question I was asked frequently is that, hi Craig, could you please help us do more selection on languages, because we want to do the localization of translation. We want to support Spanish, French, or Danish, or Swedish, because most people cannot read English. So today we come to our UAB charger, and we have been researched and developed this charger for last 1 year. Back to our EVA charger. This is our EVA charger. We can see from the rear sticker. So this one is EVA, this one is UVB. EVA will only have delay charging, which means that if you plug your car on 10 p.m. at night, you want to set 2 hours delay charging, so it will be start charging automatically at 12 p.m. But every time you get a restart on the charger, you need to set the configuration again. And we also do not have another functions like a support language. We are supposed to do a lot of improvement in our new series. So here comes EVB. First of all, we achieve many functions. Now we can receive the reservation on the chargers or application from phone, which means that you just need to activate the buttons on your chargers, then it can get started charging automatically. Number 2, with OCPP, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth and RFID, so it's become a smarter device, which means that once you get connected with your phone, you not only do the reading the charging history, consumption, and generated the electricity free bill on your charger, but you can also do the operation like start or stop charging, check the consumption from your phone or iPad, which make it easier for everyone accessible for the charging. Number 3, we also support a lot of languages based on our last software update on Apple or Google Store. We can support Danish. So for now, we have 18 languages supported in our chargers. So in summary, we have 3 improvements on our EVB chargers. So first of all, we can do the reservation, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, and more complicated operations on the phone. Number 2, we can support different minor languages, not just English. Number 3, with OCPP functions, we can help the fleet members to do the reimbursement. So if you have any recommendations on our granny charger, leave your comments below, and stay tuned for Chengdu Honors e-mobility. Thanks, guys.